Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to make a wish list on Amazon and share it. Alright, so now here we are on Amazon, and the first thing that I would like to tell you is that first you need to log in into your account so that you won't have any problems later on when we are proceeding with the steps that we need in order for us to make a wish list here on Amazon. So wishlist is a very cool feature here in Amazon, so that this would let you let other people buy the products for you. So the other people would pay for it and it would be sent to your address. So that is basically it for the wish list. So to do that, you need to click here on or hover your cursor here in your account. Right here it says your name, and then from here you want to click on create a list, and then right here, and then you would have this pop up right here. So this is what list is all about, and you can click on create a list once you're ready, and then from here you can go for a list name. So in my case, I'll just go for my wish list number 1, and then click on create list right there. So the name, it can be subjective, you can just put whatever you want. And then from here, before we add products into our wish list, what I would like to discuss is the settings of our list right here. So we would need to customize that, and to customize that we can go to our settings by clicking here on these 3 dots right here, and then click on manage list. And then from here you can see your list name right here. So my wish list number 1 right here, and make sure that you set this into public. This is only if you want other people to buy the stuff for you. Maybe you want to share it to your family, to your parents, and you want your parent to buy this stuff for you. So this is a great way. So make sure that your privacy is set to public right here. And then the next thing is that you can add this if you want, but the next thing that we're going to discuss is the shipping address right here. This is the most important one right here. So as you can see, I don't have mine right here, so I just create new and click on autofill and click on allow right here. I'm just gonna go and basically just share the address right here. And now we have some very important settings that we need to talk about right here. So you can make this the default address if you'd want, but this one right here, share my shipping address with other sellers. So if you want to share your address, then you can click on this button, but I don't think that this one is very safe. So if you don't know who you are sharing your address with, I recommend that you leave this unchecked right here. And then the next thing is let buyers ship additional items not on this list. So if you would like additional items not on your list, then you can click on this one right here, and you can keep purchased items on this list and so on right here, depending on what you want and so on. So yeah, those are basically the important options that we need to discuss right here, and you have some other things right here. So yeah, this would just be dependent on whatever you would want right here. So I'll just go and customize this. I'll go for a random date right here and add maybe some of this, and email and full name right here and so on. So ship to this address right there. And as you can see, we need to verify something right here, but I don't have I don't want to provide any personal information right here, so we're just gonna skip this right here. So just like that. And now that we are done with this one, all we have to do now is add some products into our wish list right here. So all we have to do left is go into search for products right here. So let's say we would want AirPods right here. We can search for that, and then from here we can click on the product that we want. For example, is this one, and then from here we can simply click here on add to list, click on add to list, and then we can see our list right here on my wish list number 1. And then we can now click on the view your list right here, so that you can view all the products on your list. And now we can see that it has successfully been added. And then the next thing, so that other people would be able to buy this for you, if that is what you want, is that you can click on send list to others. And then from here you can invite someone to view only. So this is what you need if you just need them to buy. But if you want them to customize your list for you, then you can click here on view and edit. But we don't want that. We just want to view only, and click on copy link. And then all you have to do now is send this link to the people that you want to send this, and they would be able to see your list and they would be able to buy it for you if you want, then yeah, you can do that. So that is basically it for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.